If you're shopping for an SUV that won't let you down, this list is for you. When it comes to buying a vehicle, nothing gives peace of mind like knowing it'll stay dependable for the long haul. That's why today, we're diving into the 6 most reliable SUVs of 2025, based on the latest data from Consumer Reports as of June 2025. 6. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a staple in the compact SUV segment, and for good reason. Year after year, it delivers the perfect balance of reliability, practicality, and comfort. The 2025 model builds on this legacy, earning a top reliability score from Consumer Reports and maintaining its reputation as a worry-free ownership experience. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 190 horsepower, the CR-V is peppy enough for daily driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy, up to 34 mpg on the highway. It's also available in a hybrid variant for those seeking even better efficiency. The CVT, continuously variable transmission, has improved over the years and now operates smoothly and reliably, with few reports of issues. Honda has refined the CR-V's formula, make it spacious, durable, and easy to live with. The interior is impressively roomy, offering best-in-class rear legroom and over 76 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats folded. This makes it a top choice for growing families, road trippers, and pet owners alike. The cabin features a simple, functional design, with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. For 2025, the CR-V includes a digital instrument cluster, a 9-inch touchscreen, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all while keeping the interface fast and glitch-free. Honda Sensing comes standard, bringing a suite of driver aids like adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. The CR-V consistently earns top safety ratings, making it one of the most family-friendly SUVs on the market. One reason the CR-V is so reliable is that it avoids unnecessary complexity. Honda focuses on engineering components that last and are easy to service. Owners frequently report exceeding 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance, oil changes, tires, and the occasional brake service. Affordability also plays into the CR-V's appeal. It's not the cheapest SUV out there, but what you get for the price is outstanding. A spacious, comfortable, reliable vehicle that holds its value well and doesn't cost a fortune to maintain. 5. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX has long been the benchmark in the luxury midsize SUV segment, combining refinement, performance, and reliability like few others. In 2025, Consumer Reports once again places the RX among the most reliable SUVs, and for good reason. It offers a plush ride, upscale amenities, and a bulletproof reputation that few luxury vehicles can match. At the heart of the RX's reliability is Toyota's engineering, as Lexus is Toyota's luxury arm. That means shared platforms, proven engines, and quality control standards that consistently produce vehicles that stand the test of time. The 2025 RX comes with a choice of 2 powertrains, a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, RX 350, or a more efficient hybrid option, RX 350h, both of which are known for long-term dependability. The RX's ride quality is among the best in class. Its suspension is tuned for comfort, and road noise is virtually non-existent. Whether on a long highway drive or navigating city streets, the RX glides over imperfections while keeping passengers isolated in a luxurious, quiet cabin. Inside, the 2025 RX is filled with soft-touch materials, advanced tech, and meticulous craftsmanship. It includes features like a 14-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, premium audio systems, and optional massaging seats. But despite the technology, Lexus keeps its systems intuitive and less prone to software glitches compared to European rivals. Safety is also a Lexus strong point. The RX includes Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, featuring advanced driver aids like proactive driving assist, lane tracing, and adaptive cruise control. These features contribute not only to safety, but also to the relaxed, stress-free driving experience Lexus is known for. From a maintenance perspective, the RX is consistently cheaper to own than many of its luxury competitors. It avoids overcomplication, and Lexus dealerships are known for excellent service quality. Plus, resale values are strong, thanks to Lexus's reputation for long-term durability. 4. Subaru Forester. Subaru has long been associated with rugged dependability, and the 2025 Forester is a prime example of the brand's commitment to reliability. Consistently ranked near the top by Consumer Reports, the Forester is a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts, families, and anyone who wants a durable all-weather SUV without the luxury price tag. Every Forester comes standard with symmetrical all-wheel drive, which is one of Subaru's most celebrated features. It provides excellent traction in all conditions, rain, snow, gravel, and contributes to the vehicle's stability and control. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter flat-4 boxer engine that produces 182 horsepower and is mated to a Lineartronic CVT. While not sporty, it delivers dependable power and respectable fuel economy of up to 33 mpg highway. Subaru has refined its engine and transmission combo over many years, and owners report exceptional long-term reliability. The simple, naturally aspirated engine design avoids the complexity and potential issues of turbochargers or overly complex hybrid systems. That's part of why the Forester consistently earns high marks in durability. Inside, the Forester is spacious, airy, and smartly designed. The large windows, upright seating position, and wide opening doors make it a favorite for families and older drivers alike. The interior materials are sturdy, and while not luxurious, everything feels built to last. The infotainment system is easy to use, and Subaru's EyeSight driver assist suite comes standard, offering features like pre-collision braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. Cargo space is a standout feature. With the rear seats up, it offers over 28.9 cubic feet, and folding them down gives you more than 74 cubic feet, near the top of the compact SUV class. Subaru also excels in safety. The Forester consistently receives top marks from both the IOHS and NHTSA. That, combined with its all-weather capability and low maintenance needs, makes it a great value over the long term. If you're looking for a simple, honest SUV that's built to go the distance, with a touch of outdoor spirit. The 3. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid hits the sweet spot between fuel efficiency, affordability, and rock-solid reliability, which is why it consistently ranks high in Consumer Reports assessments. It takes all the strengths of the standard RAV4 and adds Toyota's proven hybrid technology, creating a more economical and eco-friendly vehicle without sacrificing durability. Under the hood, the RAV4 Hybrid features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 219 horsepower. Power is sent through an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, ECVT, and comes standard with all-wheel drive, which adds traction in slippery conditions. The result is a smooth, efficient ride that delivers up to 41 mpg in the city, a huge benefit for urban commuters or families looking to cut fuel costs. One reason the RAV4 Hybrid earns such high reliability scores is Toyota's extensive experience with hybrid systems. This isn't a new experiment, it's the result of over 2 decades of refinement since the launch of the Prius. The hybrid components are durable and rarely need major repairs. Owners consistently report minimal issues, even after 100,000 miles or more. Interior-wise, the RAV4 Hybrid is roomy and functional. There's ample legroom in both rows, and over 37 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row. Materials feel solid, and the layout is practical. The infotainment system is intuitive, and now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's also packed with safety features. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, and road sign assist. In crash tests, the RAV4 Hybrid performs exceptionally well, providing peace of mind for families and solo drivers alike. Maintenance costs are low. The hybrid powertrain reduces wear on the gasoline engine and braking components, and Toyota hybrids often require less frequent servicing. There's also an 8-year 100,000-mile warranty on hybrid components. 2. Toyota RAV4 Prime Plug-in Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Prime is not only one of the most innovative plug-in hybrid SUVs on the market, it's also one of the most reliable, according to Consumer Reports' 2025 rankings. Toyota's experience in hybrid technology is unmatched, and the RAV4 Prime benefits from years of refinement and testing, resulting in a vehicle that is both futuristic and dependable. The RAV4 Prime combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors to produce a total of 302 horsepower, making it the most powerful RAV4 ever. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, which is incredibly quick for a compact SUV. But where it truly shines is in efficiency. It offers up to 42 miles of electric-only driving range, followed by over 600 miles on a full tank and battery combined. What sets the RAV4 Prime apart is not just performance, but also its reliability in hybrid operation. Owners report very few issues with the battery system or electronics, which is a testament to Toyota's engineering. The battery pack is liquid-cooled and well-protected, and Toyota offers an 8-year 100,000-mile warranty on hybrid components for additional peace of mind. Inside, the RAV4 Prime is both comfortable and tech-savvy, offering available features like a 10.5-inch touchscreen, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic glass roof, and premium materials throughout. The cabin is spacious for its class, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile family SUV. Another key factor in the RAV4 Prime's reliability is how low maintenance it is. Because it can operate in EV mode much of the time, the gas engine experiences less wear, and regenerative braking reduces brake pad usage. This can translate to lower maintenance costs over time compared to traditional gas-only SUVs. Safety-wise, the RAV4 Prime is fully equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. It's also an i/HS Top Safety Pick Plus, adding another layer of confidence for families. 1. Toyota RAV4 Gasoline. The Toyota RAV4 remains one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market, and Consumer Reports has consistently ranked it among the top performers in 2025. Known for its bulletproof reliability, practical design, and everyday usability, the RAV4 continues to be a top choice for buyers seeking peace of mind in long-term ownership. Under the hood, the gasoline-powered RAV4 features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides a solid blend of power and fuel efficiency, delivering up to 35 mpg on the highway. More importantly, this powertrain has a proven track record of reliability with minimal reported mechanical issues, making it ideal for those who don't want to worry about unexpected repair bills. Toyota's legendary build quality shines in the RAV4. The vehicle feels solid, with tight panel gaps, quality interior materials, and intuitive controls. While it may not offer the most luxurious ride in the segment, its simplicity is part of what makes it so dependable. The electronics are straightforward, and Toyota's infotainment system, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, is user-friendly and rarely prone to glitches. One of the standout qualities of the RAV4 is how low maintenance it is. Owners frequently report driving well over 150,000 miles with little more than basic maintenance. Oil changes, brake pads, and tires are often the only regular expenses. This makes the RAV4 especially appealing to budget-conscious families or commuters who want a hassle-free experience. Safety is also a major strength. The RAV4 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. These features enhance daily driving while maintaining Toyota's reputation for safety and reliability. In terms of resale value, the RAV4 is a standout. Thanks to its popularity and reliability, it holds its value extremely well, which is a key advantage over competitors. Even older RAV4s fetch strong prices on the used market. So before you head to the dealership, take this list with you. And remember, a reliable SUV today means fewer headaches tomorrow. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which SUV you trust most or plan to buy in 2025. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and drive something that lasts.